lot of political parties talk about it, but only very few political parties give women a ticket to contest in the elections. What do you have to say about that? More, opportunities be given to women?
I can talk about my experience at workplace. I believe that women are most capable and wonderful, sincere, honest and committed workers. And if such is the case, then I would request everyone to wake up and do what is needed to be done.
In politics?
In politics as well.
Sharman, hypothetically, Sharman, if you were given powers or you become the Prime Minister of India, what is the one thing you would want to change right away? Or one issue you would want to change?
One thing, it's very childish to comment on that one thing that I would want to change, because there are quite a few dramatic changes, in my opinion, that we need to bring to the country. Education is something I would definitely concentrate on, because self-sufficient, I believe, an individual can be only when he's educated. Take care of himself and then his family and then the rest of the country.
Sharman, वो पूछेंगे उस पर मैं.
Sharman, we're doing a little bit of GK quiz here. Could you tell us who is the first woman IPS officer in India?
First woman IPS? No, I have no clue.
And also, which is the woman who inspired you the most in your life?
Personally, I would think my mother for sure, then my sister very much actually. As far as my career is concerned, my sister, the kind of support, emotional support, and otherwise financial many a times, the kind of support she's provided me, I'll be indebted to her for life.
Sharman,
Coming back to the industry, oh yeah, we have such wonderful actresses who have done such inspiring work, starting from Madhubala to Rekha ji to Kajol, Madhuri Dixit, many such women inspire me.
Sharman, आज आप किस क्षमता में शामिल हुए थे? यहाँ पे आपने अवार्ड दिया या किस तरह से?
मैं अभी अराइव हुआ हूँ. I don't know exactly मैं किस तरीके से पार्टिसिपेट करूँगा. फिलहाल तो मैं आया हूँ just to attend the event.
शर्मन, आपकी फिल्म के बारे में काफ़ी समय से सुन रहे हैं. रेखा जी के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं. एक अद्भुत अनुभव रहा होगा. कुछ उस पर प्रकाश डालें आप.
वो फिल्म को आने में अभी देर है, तो जब वो फिल्म आएगी तब बात करेंगे.
तो बता सकते हैं रेखा जी के साथ काम किया कैसा?
बहुत ही एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर है. ऑनर, प्रिविलेज, अचीवर है. उनका स्टैचर हम सब जानते हैं. शी इज़ अ वुमन हु इज़ अ ग्रेट अचीवर एंड it's my privilege to have worked with her.
कब तक एक्सपेक्ट कर लें हम इस फिल्म के लिए?
I think by this year end sometime.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.